So, see student, the period of light between sunrise and sunset is called a day. Means in morning when we wake up, the sun will come out, that is called sunrise, and the evening time sun will be disappear, is called sunset. Okay, so this is the or about daytime. And rotation, I said, when our earth is moving or rotates on its own axis, this is the axis, and when will our planet or this earth will move its own axis, that is called our rotation. Okay, it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. If you see, if it is a earth, if it will move like this on its own axis, means like this. See, if it is a pen, if it is a pen, you think, and the pen will be like, it's think it is our earth. If our earth moves like this, then it is called, with the help of in middle who is there, refill is there, that with the help of refill, if you will move like this once time, you see carefully, see, that is called rotation. Okay, and it takes 24 hours for one rotation, and exactly there is a one axis, that is one axis, with the help of axis our earth is moving around on its own axis, that is called rotation. And top position is top and is called north pole, and bottom position or bottom end is called south pole. North pole is top end and south pole is called bottom end on our earth. This is our north pole, this is south pole, and the line which passes a center of the earth is called axis and meets to or connect to end of our flat surface of our earth. Okay, so that is all about north pole, south pole, and rotation. Now we will come to our what is axis. See, axis, the imaginary line which passes through the center of the earth is called axis. The imaginary line, see, this is our imaginary line, or in this picture you see this is a black color line is passes through center of the earth, that is called imaginary line, called axis, called axis. See carefully. So the imaginary line which passes through the center of the earth is called axis. Okay, understood. Now we will come to our next point, what is revolution. And we have studied what is rotation. Rotation means when our earth moves on its own axis. Okay, like this when it moves. Okay, that is called rotation. It takes 24 hours. That means one day we are getting 24 hours. One day we will say one day and night, it becomes a 24 hours. So that is called rotation. So because of our earth moves on its own axis, so it is become day and night, and taking a 24 hours called rotation. And how our earth is, how we are getting both day and night time, I will show you next video. Just now we will come to know what is rotation and what is revolution. You have to remember what is revolution. Our planet moves around the sun is called revolution. See, this is our planet Earth. When this planet, if you will start here, then if you will move, this is the sun and this is the solar system. If you will move, our Earth is moves here, start and will move. After moving, if you will again, you will reach at the same place, then it takes, it is called revolution, and it takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. Understood? That means it becomes 1 year. We will celebrate every day. We know also in New Year, and that becomes, that means when our earth is move around the complete one rotation, one round around the sun is becomes revolution, means 365 days and 6 hours. So it is called revolution. Understood? See, it is a sun, it is a solar system. When the earth will start here moves, and after moving around the sun, when again we will reach at the same time, it takes 365 days and 6 hours. That is called revolution. Understood? So student, rotation, when the earth will moves around its own axis, and revolution, when earth moves around the sun. And in our solar system, 8 planet. See, it is our solar system. In solar system, middle sun is there, and the center sun is there, and around the sun there are 8 planets are there. They are moving, all the planets are moving, but we are discussing about our planet, that is where life can exist, that is earth. When earth will move like this on its around the sun is called revolution, and when earth is moves on its own axis, it is called rotation. Understood? So like other also planet, they are moving around the sun. Okay, how our earth is moving, and rotation, have a rotation and revolution also for other planet, Uranus, Saturn, Neptune, and Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter. So they are also moving around the sun and on their own axis also. Okay, so this is all about revolution and rotation and axis. Okay, and this line is called, and in which line they are moving around the sun is called, that is called orbit. Okay, orbit, ORBIT, orbit. Okay, on their own orbit they are moving around the sun. Okay, specific orbit are there, a specific imaginary line through which the earth moves around the sun is called orbit. Okay, how we have a specific way to go to our school, to go to our home, to go to supermarket, like this there is a specific line around the sun through which the all planet along with our earth also moving around the sun is called orbit. Understood? So this line are called orbit, and see these line, this line, this line, this line, and this line are called orbit. Okay, understood? This is called orbit, ORBIT, orbits. Understood? So this is all about the our movements of the earth, and next class I will tell you how we are getting both day and night. Okay, next video through activity part I will tell you, I will show you, and how we are getting day and night time. Yes student, clear? I hope all of you understood properly and it is clear to everybody. Any doubt you may ask me. So this is about all our movement of our earth. Okay, what is rotation, what is revolution, and what is axis, what is north pole, what is south pole, we have came to know today. Next class I will tell you, next video I will tell you how we are getting day and night, how it becomes day, how it becomes night. Okay student, thank you very much, take care.